All right. Hello. I hope you can hear me. I know you can hear me. I'm looking right on my screen and I see my little sound waves coming in, but I know you can hear me. I don't know why I say that. That's so silly. But I'm going to do a little work alongside me while I eat my dinner and do some work, because I've got a lot of things to do and eating dinner is one of them. So please enjoy. Maybe grab some food for yourself. Oh shoot, I need my notebook. My very important notebook that has all of my tasks in it. Be lost without it. Truly. No, I wouldn't. I like to keep things like digitally and physically. So I hope you don't mind talking while eating. This is what's going to happen. If you don't like talking while eating, I suggest you leave. Listen to something else. But I'm still like covering my mouth while I talk. You can't see. But I've got a Google Doc of like all my to-do stuff for different months. Like I have a table for every month, and each column is a different status. So the leftmost column is record, and then it's edit, and then it's schedule. And I move the title of the audio or video over as it graduates. And each table is its own month. And I also do that for Trello. I have different Trello boards. Well, I have one Trello board and I have different Trello lists. Is that what they're called? For each status of the audio. And they go from idea to script to write, improv, record, edit, schedule. I got one for collabs, because a lot of times my role on collabs will be like write or record or both, but I won't have like the editing job, or so it'll kind of just be parked over there, or it'll be something that's waiting for the other members of the collab to get deliverables to me. And I can actually progress it on my own. So it just gets parked over there. It's also where, unfortunately, some things go to die. I've got something from October 7th of 2021 on there. Another thing from December 5th of 2021. Something else from July 2nd. Oh no. This is one I added recently. But that one's been hanging out since December of 2022. November 2022, I think. And these things only get on the list after I've done my part. So unfortunately, I've done the recording for all that. It just hasn't seen the light of day, and I don't think any of these will ever see the light of day. Especially the ones from 2021. Those are gone. But that's just the nature of collabs. A lot of them fall through. But at this point, my to schedule board is full. So I've got to create posts and videos and get these actually in my like queue. My YouTube, my Patreon, my other sites queues, all those that allow me to schedule things at least. Or I'll create the video and then save it on my computer in a special folder that says for this site. Okay. What am I eating? Did I tell you? I'm eating a little falafel bowl. It's got rice, falafel, onions, peppers, spinach, little lemon tahini sauce, cilantro, and tomatoes. So let's get started. One of the ones on here is a script, but I'm waiting for a writer permission for something for that. So I gotta wait for that one. So we're gonna skip over that one. Here we go. I've got a, oh, that's my cat. She's sneezing. Bless her. Okay. I've got one to start. So let's start with the Patreon post for this one. So now I have to go to my plans document where I actually have like the date that I have tentative for this one. Oh, this one doesn't have a date. Bless you. That means I gotta set a date. Or I can skip that one and go do this one that has a date first. Let's do the one that has a date first. Makes the most sense to me. Where is that? Did I not edit that? I think I edited it. Oh, it's okay. This just was a title I didn't expect. Sometimes I get a little cheeky with titles, I guess. All right. So this needs a preview. Excuse me. And I'll use this one and this one. Right? Right? No, not that one. This one. Okay, cool. So, gotta get the title and everything in there, which is always on the Trello board. Oops. Real close tab. Silly me. I hope you are getting some good work done yourself. I gotta bring in the audio. And here. This one. Delete this. Get a new picture for this. Take a bite of my falafel bowl while I look for a picture. Let's go with this one. This is a good one. Use Canva to remove the background. Good. Move this down, squish this a little bit. Maybe if I flip it. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Delete this. Perfect. Now I need this, and I need to bloop that in there, squish it all the way to the end, and squanch it some more. And then I'll download that. I'll start working on the schedule post while it downloads. this is coming up. Which date? Where is that? Okay. Huh. Oh, okay. That's fine. Maybe. This month is looking a little empty, but I still have some things to record for that month, so it's okay. I still have 4 other things. And this is one of them. Hi. Oh gosh. Yeah. Go that time, and we just finished the download. And then that one needs a preview too, because it is an exclusive. It's been so long since I've had like falafel. It's so good. And the tahini sauce has a lot of like salt because I added a lot of salt. I'm a happy girl. Okay. Alright, let's take this, and I'm just going to take the first full minute of it and not even listen to it because of reasons that I don't want bleed over from my mic. So I'm just going to say that. I'll delete this. I'm going to move this over here, get rid of that. I can delete this, and then I can copy this, that, and this. Undo that. I want paste here. What month again? Okay. Let's get this deleted. Enter. Okay. Get that. I don't need it all text. And then enter. This should be smaller text. That's way too small. That's pretty good. This needs to be smaller text too. Bigger. That's pretty good. Okay. And another picture for this one. I like this. This is good. Oh, man. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. I will try not to simp too hard for myself. Okay. God, such a good picture. Alright, we'll download that. Okay. Get my text ready for the post. Okay. This here. Then that one goes my little preview folder. Great. Last thing is this needs this. Done. All right. Add this to here. And that is ready to go. And then I take it from my to schedule all the way to completed. And I go to my Google thing and I delete it. Delete that row. And then I go over to my bullet journal and I cross it out. Done. Bing, bang, boom. All right, that one's done. Easy peasy. Probably took 10 minutes because I think I was rambling for 5 minutes in the beginning. So not super bad. Really not. Okay. Good food too. Let me just finish this falafel. And then I can figure out what I want to do next. Because the next things have multiple steps to them. That makes my brain go a little haywire sometimes. Alright, so let's get my calendar up because I also have my Google Calendar to help me figure out when to post and when to schedule to post. So that's this. And I just go TBA when things, I don't really know what they are if I don't have anything actually recorded for them yet. I just put TBA. But I know like something is due that day on this platform at this level or whatever. But I don't know what it is yet because I haven't recorded it yet. But I have like, I'll have a genre sometimes of what I want to make. So that's this day, and then this one. Oh, that's kind of late in the month for that. Let's do it this day. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, maybe. No, I don't know. Let's do it. Fudge. I'm gonna look at the previous month. Okay, that's fine. That's fine if it's that late. Okay. Okay, that's that date. Okay, this should be this date. Okay, and then we start filling in these. So let's do So I already know what's going up that week because I've already recorded it. So I need to do something that's not quite the same. Or I can start with the sleep aid. No, yeah, I might want to start with the sleep aid. No, I'll put the sleep aid in the middle. Okay. Okay, so that's the early access for it, and then the public will be here. And I already recorded that, so I know what that is. Okay. So I put it here, and that day. Good stuff. Okay. And then I think maybe I want this to be a script. So I'll do that. Just because the things I've already recorded are pretty similar to what's happening later that week. So I can pick something that's different. And that'll be that day. Okay. I like that. I like that. That's good. That's good. Okay. That was fun. I don't know what that really even is, but I think I'm going to do this here. That's that day. That I still need to edit, but that's recorded. And then the public. Let's do it here. Okay. Then this, I'll do this. I'll do this here. Oh wait, no, not that. This should be another TBA script. Okay. Now, got that, and this can be this. This day. It's just all about like fitting and finding places where things fit and make sense. It's kind of difficult, but it's fine. This one will be let's give it something interesting. That's the interesting thing I have, yeah. Oof. Okay, so that's that day. And then that goes, we're gonna have to fit it in here. Let's put it the same day here. Yeah. All right. And I'll put that. And let's see. This maybe. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this should go. I don't want to put it right there. Maybe right here. No, I'll put it right here. Okay. Calendar's getting a little crowded. I'm trying to record more. I don't know. I want to see like how much I can actually fill the calendar and record while still staying calm, cool, and collected. But yeah, I'm trying. Okay, so this one, I got one more thing that needs. Is it really just one more thing that needs to be placed? That's coming out sometimes. Oh god, I got a collab coming out maybe this month, the prior month, that I don't really know what day it's falling on, which can be difficult, but I can work around it afterwards. So yeah, this let's plop this one in. Oh, the week continues. Okay, the week continues. So this will be perfect here. Actually, let's stick it earlier on a not so full week. Let's see. Yeah, let's put it here. A fun little special thing. I think. Yeah, I think it'd be good there. Okay, it'll be a fun little special thing. We don't have to think too much about it. Right? No, I don't know. Oh, maybe I don't want it there. Oh, gosh. I get so like in my head about what days to post things. It's so dumb. Just because I don't want it to be like too close to my other stuff, too similar to my other stuff that I've just posted. Okay, I'm just going to post it here. Okay. And it'll be fine. Okay. All right. And that's that. And then just like plop it right here. No big deal. Okay. Nobody panic. Nobody to worry about it. Okay. That'll be fine. It probably won't be a great day. No, let's do it. Not. Okay. Let's do it. You know what? Let's do it like this. No. Oh my god. I can't listen to myself, fight with myself anymore. We're just gonna do it like that. We're just gonna do it like that. It's fine. We're just gonna do it like that. This is not the make or break decision that I seem to believe it is. Like nothing is that make or break decision. I suffer so much from making decisions. I get decision fatigue so fast. So this sort of thing is something that I have been putting off. I've just been moving things over like, oh, you got to schedule this, you got to schedule this, you got to schedule this, and just like not scheduling it. So, okay, we did it. We get it. Everything's got a date except for the collabs. Those don't have dates. It happens. I'm not going to panic over it. You're not going to panic over it. Nobody is going to panic over it. Okay? Cool. Ooh. Let's keep going. What was I doing? Okay, so that's done. So let's open up this and we're gonna do this. Okay. Oh man, still working. Okay. Delete that. We want a nice cozy background for this. It's me reading a book in bed with you. It's very sweet. I like it a lot. It's right Where is it? Come on. Where are you? There you are. You're right there. All right. Whoa. That doesn't need to go right there. Come on. You silly goose. Okay. Now, I want it to be a cozy bedroom, so... maybe a library. Like, just bookshelves? Because I'm reading. Get all the book vibes, maybe. Bookish vibes. I've been getting into, oh my gosh, my leg is falling asleep. Okay, get that one down. I've been getting into, like, booktube, and oh, it's so cozy. Just listening to other people talk about the books they've read and the books that they're going to read. Man, let's do this one. That's cute. Oh, that's cute. Let's flip it. That's pretty good. It's a little busy. So let's just do this. That. And then I need to turn down the brightness because it's a sleep aid. You don't want too bright of a screen on a sleep aid, right? All right. And then let's find a nice picture of myself. I think I'm holding a book somewhere. Let's see. Well, that's pretty cozy. Maybe. Let's see. I don't know. Let's try this out. See if this works. It looks very similar. I just like gotta make sure YouTube will be happy with it. That looks nice. I like that. Okay, send that to the back. You still hearing me over there? Yeah, okay, good. Just checking the sound waves. Alright, so let me think of this. Let me go to my Trello board where I've got like the temporary title I gave it. Let's go with Alright, that's great. I like it. It's very cute. Alright, now we need to go to the, okay. So we'll go here, squash that, and then this changes to 78. Let's make it 79 for safety. Perfect. And that. I like it. It's cute. Okay, let's download that. That'll take a while because it is over an hour long, so I can start prepping the Patreon post for that one. Alright. Here. And then I got this. Copy and paste. I need to update like all of my tags on Patreon. They're all I did them for a little while and then I don't know, I got exhausted with them. And now I've got like way too many posts to reasonably give any. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. It's a project I have in my mind to go through all of my Patreon posts and add like the gender tags and like what they actually are, like if they're sleep aids or not. So yeah, it's just what I gotta do. Did I never? No, I did a recap. Okay. Yeah, it's just another thing I've got to do. So, sleep aid. Oh, I got an itch. Oh, I felt good. Just a little itch on my leg. It felt like a. Oh. You ever get those? Just random little like popping itches, like pop, and it pops up, and you're like, gotta itch you real quick. Okay. Hope you like. Alright, so this, I need to schedule it. Alright. Oh, I still gotta write that. Okay. Okay. Now this goes over here. Let's put it right here. Let's put it down here-ish. Here, here. Okay. Download here. And then that's that, that's that. Okay. Cool. Cool. Let's schedule that. And this, gotta go here. And here. Select this. And then I want to reuse this one. This one, okay. Delete this, enter. Copy that. like it. Okay. Next. Yes. No. Next. This is this. Submit. Next. Yeah. Probably not needed. Next. This. This day. This time. Alright. Okay. This is loading. Okay. Alright. Another one. Down. Doing great. Can I press the button yet? 85%. Okay. So let's just go ahead, delete you. Okay. Now we have 2 more. And then this to schedule. Yeah. Okay. Do you think we can get through them? I'm sure we can. I'm sure we can get through them. Maybe in an hour. Probably longer. Honestly, probably longer. But hey, that's okay. That's okay. Sometimes things take a while, you know? Alright, 99%. Oh, come on, let's go. Oh, I forgot to do the tweet. The tweet for when it drops. Yeah, I should probably do that. Oh. Oh, but I don't have a video for it. Oh, gosh, just cracking my neck. I'm sorry. Oh, my back, too. I don't need a tweet for it. That's fine. It's fine. Alright, schedule. There we go. Cool. I'm tired. Scheduling always takes it out of me. It's so dumb. Okay, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let's go. I think it takes it out of me because it's like, it's productivity that feels non-productive. Like recording that feels like productivity, but scheduling is just like, but I did it already. Come on, I did it already. Okay, let's keep going with this one, maybe. Oh my god, no tags. Oh my god, I'm the worst. I'm the worst. Okay. Okay, that's okay. This doesn't really need tags. It's not one that really needs tags, so. And it's only got one version. Perfect. Okay, so let's put it here. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. What did... Let's do that. and then photo. Like this. But maybe I should do this. It's quite nice. Flip. Expand. Edit. Okay. Great. Download. This one. Oh, I've been so quiet. I'm so sorry. I've just been really paying attention to what I've been doing. Ugh. There's something, this just seems off center and is driving me nuts. Delete that. Delete that. Did I download this? Yeah. Okay, great. Oh my gosh, my eye hurts. This needs to be a different photo. No, let's keep that one. I like it. And I'll do the same thing. Send back. Send that over. Where I just don't even listen to it, just cut it off after a minute. Great. Oh, I should fade it out though. There we go. Okie dokie. Let's go here. This. Okay. And then these joke of a made up tag. Here. This. I just hit you so hard. I am so sorry. I cut that out for you. Goodness. I just like was bringing my hand up and I just straight up like punched the microphone. Ooh, I am focusing. What can I say? Copy this. Look at our calendar. When is this going to be? Okay. So that is not that. That is this. Right here. Okay. This goes there. That's actually pretty good for that date now. Okay, I thought of a good title. That's good for that date. Fine. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Okay. I'm happy with it now. God. So dumb. Okay. Whatever. Ooh. Okay. That needs to be over here. All right, that's the date. Schedule that. Okay, and then this needs to go. A short preview. There we go. And then I think I want to wait. No, I should. Okay. Let's save that and then I'm gonna put this in here. Is this the right one to be in here? So we got a duration. Okay, good. Okay. So this. Okay, gotta make something for that. You gotta make something for that? Really? Shoot. And then this, I did make something for it. Okay. This is a collab. That needs to be over there. This too. Let's park all these over there. Even though I still have jobs for those too. Okay. So now I've got a few things that I kind of partially have to schedule still. Like the bulk of the scheduling is done for them, but I still need to create like 1 or 2 version videos for it. And then one thing I still have to fully schedule. And then one thing I have to fully edit. But I don't know, this is a pretty good work session. My eyes are kind of bugging me. So I think I'm going to take out my contacts. And I'm going to pour myself a glass of wine and watch some shitty TV and just unwind. So I recommend you do the same. Whatever you want to do it. You've worked for like almost an hour. If you were working alongside me, you worked for about an hour. That's me clapping. I'm proud of us. Okay, goodbye.